New ways your citizenship could be revoked. A startling update has emerged in U.S. immigration policy. New mechanisms are now in place that could lead to denaturalization for certain individuals. This video means even naturalized citizens could face losing their U.S. citizenship under specific conditions. If you are interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. You might have heard about the U.S. government's ability to strip citizenship from naturalized Americans. But what does this really mean? Are there new ways this is happening? Let's break it down with facts, not fear, and explore 4 key grounds for denaturalization. 1. What is denaturalization? It's a process where the U.S. government revokes the citizenship of a naturalized citizen, someone who wasn't born a U.S. citizen, but became one through the naturalization process. This isn't about native-born citizens. It only applies to those who went through the immigration system to gain citizenship. Key points. Denaturalization can happen through civil proceedings or criminal convictions for fraud. It's rare but has been used historically, like against former Nazis who lied about their past during naturalization. The process is governed by the Immigration and Nationality Act, specifically 8 USC Section 1451, which sets a high burden of proof for the government. 2. 4 key grounds for denaturalization. The 4 main ways the government can pursue denaturalization. These aren't exactly new in a legal sense, but recent policies have put them in the spotlight. Here they are. 1. Illegal procurement of citizenship. If someone didn't meet the legal requirements for citizenship, like not having enough time as a lawful permanent resident or failing to show good moral care to the government, can argue the citizenship was illegally obtained. For example, if someone lied about their physical presence in the U.S., that could trigger a case. 2. Concealment or willful misrepresentation. If someone hides or lies about a material fact during their naturalization process, like not mentioning a criminal history, or a fake identity, the government can move to revoke citizenship. The key here is that the lie has to be material, meaning it influenced the decision to grant citizenship. 3. Affiliation with prohibited organizations. If someone is found to have been a member of or affiliated with certain groups like the Communist Party or a terrorist organization within specific timeframes before or after naturalization, their citizenship can be revoked. This is because such affiliations can show a lack of attachment to the U.S. Constitution. 4. Derivative citizenship revocation. This one affects families. If a parent or spouse is denaturalized, anyone who gains citizenship through them, like a minor child, could also lose their citizenship. This ripple effect can be devastating, especially for kids who had no role in the process. 3. Why is this in the news? You might be wondering why we're talking about this now, especially after the Trump administration ramped up efforts. In 2020, the Department of Justice created a dedicated denaturalization section, which sparked fears of broader citizenship stripping campaigns. Key points. Programs like Operation Janus and Operation Second Look, started under the Obama administration, used digitized fingerprint records to find past fraud. The Trump era saw a spike in cases 94 filed between 2017 and 2020, compared to about 16 per year under Obama. Critics, like the Open Society Justice Initiative, argue these efforts disproportionately target communities of color, like South Asian and Muslim Americans. For what can you do? Denaturalization is rare, only about 300 civil cases since 1990, but it's still scary. If you're a naturalized citizen, here's how to protect yourself. Be honest. Always provide accurate info on your naturalization forms. Keep records. Save all documents related to your immigration history. Get legal help. If you receive a DOJ complaint, contact an immigration lawyer ASAP. You have 60 days to respond. Know your rights. Groups like the Asian Law Caucus offer free legal support in multiple languages. Denaturalization is a complex issue, but knowledge is power. Stay informed and don't let fear take over. These new denaturalization rules show that U.S. citizenship is no longer guaranteed for life. Even naturalized citizens can now face serious consequences for past mistakes or misrepresentations. It's more important than ever to stay informed and legally protected. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
New ways your citizenship could be revoked. Denaturalization is the legal process through which the US government revokes citizenship from naturalized citizens not native-born American under specific condition. Though registered a government by 8 USC 1451 and can occur via civil or criminal proceedings. There are four main grounds: illegal procurement of citizenship, such as failure to meet residency or moral character requirements, willful misrepresentation, or concealment during the naturalization process, affiliation with the prohibited groups like terrorist or communist organization, and derivative revocation, where family members lost citizenship due to the denaturalization of a parent or a spouse. The video has resurfaced due to increased enforcement efforts, especially under the Trump administration, including the creation of a denaturalization section and programs like Operation Janus. While only around 300 civil cases have been filed since 1990, concerns remain about the targeting of minority communities. Naturalized citizens are urged to stay honest, keep true records, and seek legal counsel if contacted by the TOG.